and welcome to Promonoise. I'm your host, Alex Morin, and I have got you covered with an unbelievable promotional product today. It is Debco's UG904 golf umbrella, and boy oh boy, this thing is massive. At a 60-inch arc, which means 60 inches from that tip to the opposite tip on the other side, this baby is going to keep you covered in a torrential downpour. In fact, it'll probably keep you covered and your two best friends as well. And for that reason, I love the size of this umbrella. Now, this is a top-of-the-line umbrella that Debco's made. They've spared no expense when it comes to fabrics, materials, everything about this umbrella. Let's start with the material. It's called pongee. Now, I've heard that material a lot of times. Pongee was really popular in the early 20th century. It's a silk that was woven in the Orient, and it looked delicate and beautiful. But these days, they make pongee out of polyester by weaving it. And the beautiful thing about pongee is that it's resistant to odor and mildew. It's resistant to wrinkling. It holds an imprint beautifully, and the colors are very, very true. But most importantly, pongee is waterproof, and you kind of need that when you get an umbrella, don't you? Now, in addition to that, this is a 2-ply umbrella that has a vented area on it. When I say 2-ply, there's a ply on the top and then one on the bottom. And the vent exists so that it will actually help prevent this umbrella from turning inside out during heavy winds, making it a windproof umbrella. They've also used unbelievable materials here. This handle is rubber, which makes it so comfortable and easy to grasp. There's a button here for an automatic open. Boom, it shoots open with one click of the thumb. And the shaft, the ribs, the frame, they are all made of fiberglass. And the reason they do that is because fiberglass is strong and durable, fiberglass is light, and fiberglass is not metal. Because if this were made out of metal, we might call this thing the lightning rod, right? So fiberglass, a lot better of a constructed material when you're using an umbrella. Now, in terms of brandability, this has got you covered. It really, really does. In fact, advertisers are clamoring to use umbrellas as advertising vehicles when they're promoting movies and Hollywood stars. You'll see oftentimes Hollywood stars appear to the Motion Picture Awards, and then it's raining. And so an advertiser will put their umbrella on top, carry the star to the photo opportunity place, and all the while they get that logo seen by everybody. Now, go ahead, logo that in one location, or do it in opposite panels so people in front of you and behind you can see. You're going to notice on this particular umbrella that there are 8 panels. You can decorate all 8 panels, which means that everybody at every conceivable angle is going to see your brand on this umbrella. How great is that? I'm going to give you one more tip before I let you go. Weddings. This is the perfect item for a wedding as a contingency plan. Let's say you're doing an outdoor wedding and you don't know if it's going to rain or not. Get some umbrellas done, put all the wedding party's names on the umbrella, put the date on there as well. If it rains, everybody in the wedding party, all the guests get to use a gorgeous umbrella with the names on it. Heck, and if it doesn't rain at the end of the event, you tell all your guests, feel free to take an umbrella as a memento of this beautiful occasion. It's got the date, it's got the names on there, and away they go with a gorgeous umbrella. So there's so many cool things you can do with these umbrellas. Now, thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And please share this video with your friends and your colleagues. I know they're going to love it. And please tune in often because we have some exceptional product reviews and some really innovative ideas coming up in our next product review. Thanks so much for listening, and I can't wait to see you at the next review.